What's up? Hey you guys, what is up? What is up? Okay, me starting the vlog off looking like a hot mess, but that is okay. So you guys, I want to read something from a book. I want to read a page from Anne Frank. It's not a whole page. I was reading Anne Frank a few days ago, and at that age, I never used to think that way, you know? But I feel like Anne was very mature for her age. And I felt like back in the day, like, they used to read a lot. Because they never really they had television back in those days, probably. Because I'm feeling exactly like what she wrote. Okay, so I'm just thinking like this in my adulthood, like being a big grown ass woman, you know. I never thought about this when I was a child. I wasn't thinking this type of way or nothing like that. Exactly how I feel and where I'm at in my life. I need to have something besides a husband and children to devote myself to. I don't want to have to live in vain like most people. I want to be useful or bring enjoyment to all people, even those I've never met. I want to go on living even after my death. This small little piece says so much. It says so much to me. Like, nobody just want to be a mother. I just know, like, okay, let me speak for myself. I don't just want to be a mother. I don't want to be somebody's just wife, girlfriend. And I also want to living after my dad. I want my legacy to go on, like. Anyways, so Brianna got this toy. Because Brianna wants to play now, okay? She likes. I noticed that she be playing with, you know, the blanket or the sheet. Now I be there with her while she's playing with these things, like touching these things. I don't leave her around blankets and pillows. Okay, let me just get that straight. I remove these things off the bed when she's in the bed by herself. But anyways, so my mother bought her this toy because she also noticed that Bree likes to play now. You know, she's noticing things. So we're gonna open this up and let her start playing with it.
Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Good morning, you guys. So I'm about to make me some apple cider vinegar water real quick because I'm about to start my workout. It's actually 5 o'clock in the morning. So why no one told me the trick? Why no one told me that I have to do everything at night, okay, or early in the morning? So So I was like, oh my gosh, I want to start working out, but there's no way. Like, Brianna won't give me a break. It's hard for me to clean up, do anything with her, right? So I was like, you know what? There's always a way. And I sat down, I started to think, and I was like, hold on. Like, I came up with this idea. I was like, okay, I'm gonna clean up at night. I'm gonna do basically everything at night, get everything done at night, okay, while she's asleep. And that's the only time I get to do things, like early in the morning or late at night. And that's her schedule. Like, she sleeps good through the night. So, and I also decided to work out very early in the morning because she'd still be sleeping at that time, and that was hard for me to do because I love my sleep. Oh my gosh, I love my sleep. But I was like, you know what? We have to make sacrifices, okay? We gotta do what we gotta do. You know, in life, we have to learn to adjust, and sometimes we have to sacrifice, okay? So that's what I'm doing now. You know, it's not just about me. So I have to work on Brianna's schedule, okay? Not my schedule. I have to work on her time. So that's life. So anyways guys, so just enjoy the video. I'm so ready to make changes inside my life. I'm so ready to get my health together, my body together, my mind, everything. So yeah, it's going to be a journey. But anyways, I will see you guys later.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition. We don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your lace. Hey, when I was down bad, boy, I got on my knees and I started to pray. Now I'm breaking bread with my young vet. Where's you was a part of the gang? No, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my ass. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. Go right up, now we getting paid every single day. Yeah, I was hustling. I could turn an 8 to a 28.
Good morning again, you guys. So I'm about to make me some breakfast. I'm hungry. It's like 8 o'clock. Gonna make me 2 eggs and 1 slice of toast. Okay? Yo, my legs is killing me. Like, I think my legs are killing me now. Watch at night when I go to sleep tonight and wake up in the morning. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna be in so much pain. Like, I just know it. I can't wait to eat. Let me hurry up. Oh, y'all, I feel so sleepy. I'm sleepy as hell. I need to try to put Brianna down for a nap and try to go and take a nap myself. I'm tired. Hey y'all, so it's later on in the afternoon. I have my hair up because puff my hair grew, you guys. It's growing. Here we are. You have 3 here. And so I'm going to be going to the grocery store. Not me actually. The young man is going inside the grocery store to get a piece of chicken breast. Okay, because I'm going for dinner. I'm gonna make chicken breast with veggies. Okay, I'm gonna cut out rice for a month. Okay, I'm gonna try and see how that go. I want something sweet so bad, but I'm not gonna buy it. I'm not depriving myself, but at the same time, I just started this journey. I don't want to stop eating no sweet, you know. At least let me wait a month or so. Bit of key. I mean, goddamn, she couldn't help this child with 1 bag. I know you tipping him and all right, but he looks like he's struggling. He is struggling. He is so small, you know. He might have worked there, but shit. Mom could at least help him with 1 bag. You know what I'm saying? Why she did that? He's just a little stuck. But at least she's tipping him. Oh wow, she only gave him $1. A freaking $1. She didn't even have the audacity to help him. And you know he was only giving that child $1. And I know some of you guys might think that that's his job, like, you know, he's doing his job. But if I go to dinner and I see my waitress is like trying to bring us out like 20 bags of food, struggling to bring us out 20 bags of food, I'm gonna run and help her. Yeah. Not because it's someone's job, that means you cannot be genuine or generous or something like that, you know. Goddamn. And he was only tipping them $1. So you could help. And that's not a $5 bill. That's not a $10 bill. I saw it. It was $1. Okay. And you guys couldn't really see because when he was walking, he was closer to the van, and it was like his body was leaning to the next side. Like he really was struggling with those bags. Not because if someone show up, that don't mean you can't help them out a little bit, you know? But yeah. Anyway, so I'm back. Right back. Anyway, take this corn out the fridge, the deep freeze. Put the on. Make pumpkin corn. You doing this chicken breast on me? You gonna chill? See kitty sneaking in here? Put myself for the bus, please. So anyways, we get some vegetables inside there that we cooked yesterday. So we don't need no more. I don't know if you want more, but I don't need all this now vegetable. Yesterday my belly just broke. The only carrots basically inside here. But I ain't gonna eat it just like that. Oh, my throat is hurting. Bananas. Let me unbuckle bananas from my car seat. Before she have a Chinese baby. What the fuck? Anyways, guys, so this is dinner. This will be my last meal for the day. Okay, so I'm gonna try and enjoy this. Piano isn't here.